Hello again, my fellow YouTubers. Today I bring before you another meter that I own. It's the TPI 192.2. TPI stands for Test Products International. This is a real good multimeter. I'm gonna put it through a few tests, and tell you about a few functions that it have and the pros and cons of it. Let's get right into it. All right, so this how it'll look with the when it's on. That's without the backlight. That is the backlight. You really can't tell the difference, but it is the backlight, and that's with it off. But anyway, I'm gonna put it for through a few tests, and hold on one second, and we'll just see how it operates. Here we go. How about if I put it through my resistance box, decadence box, and we'll see how this thing works. Let it take a few readings. Okay, here we go. Put it on the ohms function, and let's put it on 4K and see can it take that. Yep, spot on. Put it on 3K. Right? How about 2K? Oh, it's good. How about 1K? It's good. Let's go 40K and see what happens. Yep, it can handle it. Well, 39.9, 40K. Let's do 30K. Yep, spot on. How about 20K? Spot on. 10. Spot on. Let's try 400K. See can he handle that. Yes, it can. How about 300K? Spot on. 200K? Yeah. How about 100K? That's it within spec. All right, let's try 4M. Got it. 3. Spot on. 2. Spot on. 1. Spot on. It's a very accurate meter. Tell you what, let's try some voltage now. From y'all who watch my previous videos, y'all know about my Fluke PRV 240 proving unit. This unit is used to test all of your instruments to see if it's accurate or how far is off from being accurate. 1 second, I dropped the lead here, and this is what we're going to do. Let's put it on voltage, and right now I have it set to DC voltage, so we can put that on DC. And we'll see, and this unit by Fluke has been calibrated, so we'll see just how far it's off and how close it is to spec. 239. I think that's good. That's good. Okay, let's try AC voltage. Remember, it's 240 volts that it's putting out. So, hold on a minute. 239, 240. Let's try that DC again. $239. Perfect. Just to give you some pros and cons about this unit. It don't feel as heavy as the Fluke 87V, but it is. You can tell it's a well-built meter. I would use it on a testing mains voltage in a panel. I'll use it, and I'll also trust it when I have to make precise measurements as well. It's really well built. The only thing I don't like about it, the backlight, you really can't tell if it's on or not. That's the backlight there. and you can't tell if it's on, and that's what is off. But other than that, things that let me try to. These are the leads that comes with it. The leads feel real good in the hand. They're flexible. They're not all stiff like some of the cheap leads that you find, and they have these probes. That's it's not cheap whatsoever, but feels really feels good. So I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Let's try the continuity function. Okay, where's the noise? It's not making a noise. It's not giving me no continuity reading. You see, it's supposed to be on right there. Why? Huh. I'm glad I'm putting it through this test. It's not showing. It's not. It's not giving me a reading at all. Oh, that's a drawback. I have to check into that. But it's a real nice meter other than that. That's the continuity function right here. Select as an orange. Well, fellas, that's something that I'm gonna have to look into, take it apart, and I'm not gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna contact TPI, and it may be a defect from the factory. I don't want to void any warranties, but I'm glad I tried that. I'm glad I did this video. So you guys who have a meter, if you have a meter like this, better check it out real thoroughly. But I still think it's a real good meter, with the exception of that not working. That's, man, I tell you, that's a bummer. But for the most part, it's a real good meter. It has a kickstand, and also I put this tape over here to keep the dust out of going into this data logging port right here. You could take data logs. You could transfer the recorded data over to a PC. Maybe if I turn it up like this, you guys can see the light on. Can you see it? Really can't tell. Turn it off again. Yeah. It's not much of a light at all. But again, I promised it to be a short review for this multimeter. That was the only test that I have right here, just the proving unit. I use this on a lot of my multimeters or my clamp meters to see if it's working properly. I also send it through this test right here. I had a capacitor around here, a turbo multi-tap capacitor. I don't know whatever happened to it. I used to use that as well to test my instruments with, to see if the capacitor function is working properly. But so far, I think other than this sounding, this beeper on the continuity function not working, I think it's a real good meter. I'm gonna have to send it through some more tests and check some more things to make sure that's working properly. But I will be contacting TPI to let them know about this problem, that it's not working properly. Well, fellas, I don't, I hope you like this short video. I wasn't trying to make a long classroom type video. I hope I covered some of the things that you wanted to hear about this multimeter. I know it wasn't a whole lot. I just don't like to do long videos. It's too drawn out for me. But I like this multimeter still, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, fellas, hit the like button. If you like to subscribe, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. If you like to leave a comment concerning this multimeter, something that you would like for me to try, in case you was interested in purchasing one like this, let me know, and I'll try to get around to doing it for you. Or maybe if you have any questions about this multimeter, please let me know. But in the meantime, fellas, as always, be safe out there, and peace out.